Welcome to the sheet metal tutorial guys. In this video I will explain you how to model this part, how to fold it, how to unfold it and how to modify it. So let's begin. Open a part file guys because we are working in the part file. Change the background to plain white. Select top plane and click on sketch. And from here select a circle and make a circle at this origin. Now let's select Smart Dimensioning tool and specify the diameter of this circle as 300 millimeter. Now we want a cut, so that's why I'm selecting here a center line. Make here a vertical straight center line, select it and make relation vertical just to make sure it is straight. Now select here offset entities because we want 3 lines. Here specify 5 millimeter and make sure to select here bidirectional. You need to select this center line and then click on this bidirectional and check this box from here. Now these are 3 lines. Select trim entities. We want to trim this arc and then check this box from here. Now select this line, make it as construction geometry. It will be converted into a center line, and same for this one. Here you can see it is fully defined. Now exit the sketch from here. You need to go into sheet metal and this is the base flange tab. You can select it and here we need to specify the length of this part. So I am specifying here 650 millimeter. And now let's specify the thickness of the plate which would be 6 millimeter. And let me quickly assign it some color. Although we can flatten it from here, but if we select flatten we cannot edit or modify it, so that's why we select here unfold. So that is the benefit of unfold. In this window we need to select this edge, and in this window we just need to select this option and check this box from here. The benefit of this unfolding is that we can edit or modify it. Let me show it how. Select this face and click on sketch, and from here select a circle and make a circle here. Now let's define it. Basically I want to make series of holes. So the diameter of this is 50 millimeter. From this edge to the center of the circle the distance is 50, and similarly from this side to the center of the circle the distance is 60. Now the sketch is defined. Go to sheet metal, select here extruded cut. Select here through all and check this box from here. A hole will be created, and now let's create a series of holes. For that select here linear pattern, and in direction 1 I am selecting this edge, and in feature and faces window I am selecting this circumference of the circle. And now we need to adjust the distance between them. So from here we need to specify the distance between them. I'm specifying 15 millimeter, and when check this box from here you can see a series of holes created. Now let's create another series. In this feature and faces window select here second hole, not the first one, and in this direction I am specifying this as direction, and definitely I would be adjusting this number of holes from here. Check this box from here and second series is completed. Now we have modified edited part by unfolding it, and now fold it again. Select here fold, and from here select this option and check this box from here. When you check it, it will take some time, and here is our folded version. So that's how we fold and unfold in sheet metal.